Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to share a Canva design to edit. This is a canva.com website, and first let's open one of my recent designs. Now, if I want to share this Canva design to be edited with someone else, all I need to do is to click on this share button from this corner, and below collaboration link, select anyone with the link. As you can see, anyone can access the design using this link, and no sign in to Canva is required. Select it like that, and from the second option, select can edit instead of only view or only comment. Now click on copy link. As you can see, link is copied to clipboard, and now let's open this link in a incognito mode, for example. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. As you can see now, this is the editing link, and now without signing up to Canva, as you can see, now I can edit this design directly on my browser. And this is how to share a Canva design to edit. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.